Welcome back, viewers. Hey, if you watched our last video, we worked on this Cadillac CT6 this 2017, and you know, after I replaced that transmission mount, I thought, you know, why don't we go ahead and balance the wheels? We just had some tire pressure monitor sensors put into this under warranty, and we wanted to make sure it looks like the dealer didn't balance the tires afterwards. The weights are still the same. I always like to do it. I don't know how you feel about that, but anytime I break the bead on a tire, I'm always gonna just rebalance the wheel. It's easy. I've got my own tire and wheel machine here in the shop. It's something I bought about 1.5 years ago. I got tired of taking it to tire shops and just, you know, paying that fee to have that done all the time, mounting, dismounting. I do a lot of ATV stuff. So it just made sense for me to go ahead and pick a pair of those up. And I just run it through the Mayflower. It's nothing fancy. I just do it for a hobby here. I'm a DIY guy. So we're gonna go ahead and get this tire off, and we're gonna get over here on the balancer, and we're gonna go ahead and redo the balance on all the 4 tires. I'm not gonna bore you and show you all 4 wheels. We're just going to go ahead and walk you through the process of how I just do one and get the machine set up. So here we go. Get this on over to the balancer. All right, so we're over here at our balancing machine. We got it put on the machine, fastened down on here. We've got our rim measurements put in, our width put in, and our diameter put in. And I went ahead and just did we're gonna do a preliminary run. I haven't taken the weights off of this, but I just wanted to show you. We had a wheel TPMS put in this wheel, and you can see right off the bat it's about a 1/2 inch off, 1/2 ounce off on the outside, and there's absolutely no weights there at all. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take off all the old weights. We're going to clean up the wheel, and we're going to start over fresh and make sure that we have everything that is done correctly. Right, so I removed the old weights. I just used a little bit of a tool that I wouldn't gouge it with, just to cut it off. We got them all off. We'll give it a spin, and we'll see where we're at. So it looks like here all I need is a 1/2 inch or a 1/2 ounce on the outside of the wheel. After we remove those other weights, we'll get that checked, and then we'll spin it again and see if we need to add any more. I'm going to clean off the wheel a little bit where it'll go, just to make sure we have a nice clean surface to bond with the. For some reason I'm always out of brake cleaner. I have children that come out here and do stuff in the shop too. Let me grab something else. We'll just clean this wheel up a little bit right here. And I'm just using these stick-on weights. They're 1/4 ounce. Roll this to the top. Give it a good snug, give it a spin. And there we have it. All zeroed out and ready to go ahead and do the rest of them. And that's how you balance a tire. Always important If anytime you break the bead on a tire, you need to rebalance those wheels. The dealership that I had this done at failed to do that. They just put in new TPMS sensors all the way around, and ever since I had it back, I have a little bit of feels like a wheel shimmy at about 65, 70 miles an hour. So we're just gonna go ahead and do them all, and I'm not gonna bore you with that, but I just wanna say thanks for watching. Go ahead and click like, it helps me out, get the word out. I don't do this for money, I do it because, you know, it's something to do. So hopefully you have a great rest of your day, and thanks for watching.